Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. Talks are underway in Stockholm between the US and China over a trade and tariff deal. Prospects, though, are not high. And the recent EU-US deal has the makings of unravelling. Both France and Germany are unhappy about the outcome, made worse by the US claiming verbally pharmaceuticals have been excluded when the EU negotiators said they were not excluded from the 15% written deal. The big casualty in all these deals, including the Japanese one, is trust in the US. Smart-ass public commenting by the US president and even some of his advisors means the deals struck are unlikely to be respected by the US or trusted by the others. The result isn't a deal, it's actually a fluid mess. New Zealand's situation in all this will be a footnote, probably sometime on Saturday. Financial market eyes are now turning to Thursday's US Federal Reserve meeting and decisions. Despite the overt White House pressure, financial market pricing shows virtually no one is pricing in a rate cut. In China, they're taking something they don't want. Foreign direct investment recorded another net outflow in June, and a worse one than the highly unusual April net outflow. The reasonable start to 2025 is being undone faster now. In the 6 months to June, they've had a net inflow of $42 billion. In 2024, they had more than that in just the first 3 months, and even that was much weaker than in 2023, where they had a $98 billion inflow, and 2022, where they had a $112 billion inflow. Fleeing investors isn't a good look for China. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.42%, up 3 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $3,309 an ounce, down $27 from yesterday. And American oil prices have risen $1.50, just on $66.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $70 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now at 59.7 US cents, down a half a cent from yesterday and back to where we were a week ago. Against the Aussie, we're unchanged at 91.6 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're 30 basis points firmer at 51.5 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 67.6 and down 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.